Hi everyone, this is Muhammad Amir Khan back with another video. Before starting to this video, I would like to thank all my subscribers for subscribing my channel and supporting me a lot and encouraging me to create more and more videos. I also got a lot of calls and messages to create new videos on so and so topics, so which encourages me a lot, and thanks a lot for your support and your suggestions uh, to create new videos and motivate me uh, to create new videos. Yeah, thanks a lot. Okay, now so let's get started. So in this video, I'm going to explain you how to calculate or how to find the days between two different dates. Okay, let me explain it with an example now. So let's say I have a requirement, like I have date from and date to. So the from date of the sales order is like 1st of January 2026, and to date is like 6th of February 2023. Okay, what I want to find is I want to calculate how many days are there in between, like from 1st to 6th. Okay, from 1st Jan to 6th February, how many days are there between that? Like there are like for between 1st January to 3rd January, there are 2 days, right? Between 1st January and 6th January, there are 5 days, right? So in the same way, how many days we have between these two dates? You got it, right? Okay, let me go back to some notepad and try to explain it. Hmm, anyways, so let's say I have from date as 1st of Jan 2023 and to date as 5th of Jan 2023. Now, what my requirement is, I want to find how many days are there in between, like 1st January, second, it start from second, right? 2nd January, 3rd January, 4th January, 5th January. Like there are 4 days. Days between them is 5 days. In the same way, if I give one more example, like 1st January to some 4th January. So number of days are 3. Okay. So my requirement is to find the difference between, like the days difference between two different dates. Okay. From date and to date, like 2, 3, 4, 3 days, right? So I want to find this number. So for that, I'll create a new field and write a logic to find the days between, number of days between two different dates. Okay. Two different columns. So let me go back. So I want to find the days between date from and date to. So how to do that? I'll show you how to do that with graphical based calculation view first. Then I'll explain you how to do it based on table function, with the help of table function. So in the uh, graphical based calculation view, what I have done is I have taken the table t underscore dats underscore is underscore valid, which is this table. It has serial s number, date from and date to. Okay, so I have taken this table and I have filtered the orders which are less than 6. So I am interested in displaying only those orders which are less than 6. Now in aggregation, so I have created one calculated column to find the days between two different dates. Okay, so in this, I should give the name and label and everything here. So that's fine. So I can give it measure as well. So let it be as of now. So here, I need to take days between, right? So it will be there in the date function, days between. So let me write it in the next line, days between. Next, I have to give the two dates, date one, date two. So my first date is date from and my second date is date two. Okay. So date one is like Again, I can take it from here and it two is from here. So I'll get the days between these two different dates. But here, uh, the data type of my fields date from and date to is nvarchar. So to find the days between these values which are in nvarchar data type is not possible. So I need to make this fields data type. I need to convert the data type to date. Okay, so I can convert the data type from conversion function. I can use date inside this bracket, so which helps me to convert any data type, like the field of the data type to date. So whatever the data type we have for this field date from, whatever it can be, it converts its data type to date format, date data type. Okay, the same way, so we can do it for date too. So that is what I have what done on the above line. So let's see, this is how you need to write the logic. All right, so days between your date from and your date to, and if it is in different data type besides the data type date, then you should make sure you are converting its data type, this field's data type, to date as well. So once we do this, we can validate it, and we have a new calculated column which calculates the days between two different dates. In our case, date from and date to. So I'll activate it one more time to make sure it's activating successfully. Yes. So let me preview the data. All right. So see, the days between date from and date to is 36 days. So 1st of January to 6th of February, if you calculate the days between these two dates, you'll find it 36. In the same way, if you find the days between 2nd of January to 7th of February, you will have 36 days. Okay. So when I set start date and end date, so 1st of January 2023, year is 2023, right? So 1st of January 2023, 6th of February, 6th of February 2023, right? So duration should be 36 days, right? So that is what it does. It does is what it does is it finds the number of days falls between start date and end date. So this we can do it with the help of this calculated column. Okay, so this is how we need to write the syntax. So here I'm using days between and date functions. So this is how the syntax should be. So the other way how to calculate the days between two different dates is with the help of scripting. So I'm going to table function and show you how to do it in the scripting way. So here I'm defining all my dates like date from, date to, and days difference, and returning it in this way. So let me just show you in a new line. So how to find the days difference. So you should use the keyword days between and write the date from and date to, field uh, the field one which have from date and the field two which have to date. So it will find the difference of days, how many days we have between from date and to date. So I'm taking number sales order number less than 6. So I still see here I'm converting to date from date. uh, I'm converting the data type of from date as date. Okay, so this is how we can convert the data type in scripting. So need to write to underscore date of field. So it will convert the field's data type, whatever it can be, to date data type. Okay. So we need to convert it before finding the number of days between two different dates. So that is why I'm doing it. So once I activate it, I can call this and make a selection about that. Here we go, 36 days. Okay, so I'm converting it to date format. That is the reason it's coming in the system date format. Okay, see here I'm doing a to date. I'm using a to date function to convert the data type of date from field to date. Okay, to the data type date. Okay, this is how we can achieve or we can find the days between two different dates. Okay, hope so again, so we can use the same SQL script and make the same through scripted calculation view as well. So it's up to you how you want to do it. So if you have to do it in table function or scripted calculation view in any one of these uh, ways, so what I recommend is better go with the table function in place of scripting calculation view. Okay, thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.